Hi and welcome. Today I want to show you how to create a website with job openings, and you can do that quite easily if you combine two very great modules within the DNN ecosystem. They're called Easy DNN News and Action Form. So how it works is that I created some job openings, excuse me for the Dutch language, but I will show you anyway. So here I have several job openings, and I can filter and say, well, just show me some openings in the south or just in the north. And if I think, well, this is for me, I can go to the apply button, and then I'll go to the apply form. And as you can see, the job title is automatically inherited from the article. Okay, so how did I do that? Well, first, here is the article list within DNN, Easy DNN News. And what I did there is, and I'll show you where the magic happens. Of course, if you want to have a separate category called jobs, you can do so. But the best part is here. It's called custom fields. And I apply the custom field group. In Dutch it says job openings, and for each article I can flag whatever region or job type is applicable. Okay, so how can you create that yourself? Well, there is in the dashboard, there is this part, it's called custom fields. And how you get there, what you need to do is, if you create a field type, you need to go for multi-controls. That's where you can go and get your checkboxes or option lists or stuff like that. So this is the custom fields I already have. Here's the region, here's the job type. And after you have created the multi-control custom fields, you will be able to add values. So in this case, south and north. And of course you can change the position if you want to. What is important if you want to reuse those for filtering is that you have field is searchable. Now the other one is that by default the logical operator is set on AND, and in this scenario you want to have it OR. So otherwise, if people would say, well, I want to see the job openings in the south or the north, or they flag them both, it would think it's AND. So it would show just job openings that are in the south and the north, which will come up empty in most scenarios. So we need an OR in this one. So that's the custom fields. Now you combine them in a custom field group. So here I have job openings. This is the title of the managed the custom field group that you will link to the article. And if you create one of those groups, you add the custom fields that you already created, so the region and the job type. So now we have the custom fields addressed. What you need to do is add this module. This module is shipped by default with Easy DNN News, and it's called Easy DNN News Search. So because I have added those custom fields, or actually the custom field group, and I add this and I made them searchable, it will say, well, these are the filters. So, and it's quite easily how it works quite easily. So here is that one nurse that we're looking for. So I'll just go back to this one, and here I created the apply button, and it says solliciteren in Dutch, but it means apply. Now because of this demo, I just created the button from here and put it here and made a different link. So what link is that? Well, here I'll switch to the template, and you can change templates any way you want. So here is the button text, and I said, well, you need to go to this page, to the apply form, and I want you to add this. So this is in Dutch the job title, and here is token, which is actually the article title. So this is what is being passed on by the button. Now, if you go to that page, if you go to the apply form, it will pass this value to the action form. Action form will understand what you want if this field is just a text box, is in Dutch the job title, and the initial value is called query string, and then in Dutch the job title. So what I have here will be passed on to here, and the token will be recognized, and it's here. And from this moment on, I can do anything that action form will allow me to do. So I can ask for more, upload the curriculum vitae, any detail you want, and with submit, I'll add actions like send an email to the HR department, send an email to the applicants, send whatever. So this is how it's done, and I think it's pretty powerful and a very easy way to set up your job openings website. Hope you enjoy. Until next time, see you later. This was Chaps.